So guys, your girl is hungry, so we're starting with eating. So by the way, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Happy. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. So guys, I'm having ugali with meat.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's almost 1 hour since we eat, so yeah, and I already relaxed. Like now I have energy to do my evening routine. So yeah, let's do it guys. I'm starting with cleaning, and if you are not new here, you know how I do it. So yeah, let's just clean it, then we'll see what is happening. So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. Don't watch without subscribe. We are almost 200 subscribers. We just want 30 people to subscribe so that you will be there. And you are the one who are not subscribing. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Let's get 200 subscribers. We are waiting you. You are watching without subscribe. Why? Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get 200 subscribers. So yeah guys, thank you so much by the way for the support. Yeah, and when we hit 1k subscriber, I'm going to give you guys 500k Tanzania shillings. Yeah guys, so to win that, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch all my video, screenshot all my video, like. Don't forget to like guys if you like, and if you don't like, give this video a like too. So yeah, subscribe. I say like subscribe, turn notification bell on, watch all my video, then like. After that, send me on my Instagram, screenshot that and send me on my DM, Instagram DM. So yeah, I think we understand each other. So yeah guys, that's it.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. Not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So guys, after that I'm going to cleaning my bathroom. While I'm doing that, I'm going to apply my acne cream on my face. So yeah, actually I do that every single evening when I go to the shower, you know what I mean. So yeah, I have some acne on my face, so that's why I'm using the acne cream. So yeah, and you have to leave, when you apply it you have to leave it like 5 to 50 minutes. So I think that is perfect time while I'm cleaning my bathroom. So yeah, so let's go there, let's just apply it, then let's go cleaning our bathroom. After that I will see you on like 50 minutes or 20 minutes. So yeah guys, I'll see you after coming from the bathroom. I think we understand each other, so yeah. So guys, on my face in the evening I don't wear anything. I just apply that cream, then I wash it, that's it. I don't wear anything like or any oil on my face in the evening. So yeah guys, so guys, because I ate not too long today, so in the evening I'm just going to have fruit because I'm still full. So yeah, I'm just going to order fruit. So that's it. Then I'm just going to watch movie. After that I'm going to brush my teeth. After that I'm just going to back to sleep. I'm just going to sleep, not go back to sleep, I'm just going to sleep. So yeah.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
So guys, that is my realistic evening routine. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe if you did not do it, turn notification bell on so that you will be notified each and every single I upload the video. So thank you so much again for watching until the end. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.